All right, so welcome. In this digital comeback blueprint video series, part three, I'm going to take you on the inside and you're going to be able to see the products for the daily income method. At any given time, if you want to join this program, there's going to be a link in the description for you to click. All right, let's dive right into it. And oh, before I forget, if you're new to this channel, feel free to hit subscribe. Click that bell for notifications so you can be notified when I drop more videos like this one right here. And if you gain value from this, drop a comment below and let me know what you like best about what you saw. Let's dive right into it. So I'm already logged in. These are the products right here, as you see. We have the daily income method step-by-step system. This is a video series. I'm going to go here first. All right, so here are the daily income method of operation. These are what I like to call your income producing activities. We have the welcome to the daily income method. It's just a welcome video. It's 10 minutes long. Matt goes through this video right here and lets you know what to expect. So here's the game plan. This is going to be your instructor right here. And he's going to walk you through step by step on how to set up your social media site. So it says getting ready. You're going to use all new information, all new emails. You're going to download all the necessary apps. He walks you through CapCut. He walks you through the Instagram, the TikTok, a lot of these apps that you already may have already. Setting up your TikTok bio, setting up your Instagram bio, setting up your YouTube Shorts channel, your daily checklist. And then in module two, it's the endless prospects. It's coming up with endless content ideas. Basically, as you see, this video is like 27 minutes long. He's going through on YouTube and he's just bringing up different topics with the make money online niche. And you can like model these videos, make them your own, of course, and just upload them, do the proper SEO to them, and what have you. And that video explains how to structure your videos, how to create your hook, your video content, the call to action, leveraging your content. Right here is creating the content first, uploading to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. So you have those traffic social media platforms sending them directly to whatever offer you're promoting. Like me, I'm going to be promoting the daily income method, and you can use this with any program that you have. So it walks you through creating the videos, uploading them to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. And this module right here, module three, YouTube account setup, necessary software, equipment suggestions. Let me go up here. So TubeBuddy, he used TubeBuddy. He has a link here. You can click it to the PDF of everything that you can download. And all this stuff is free. Most of it is free, and it has upgrades. Um, the thumbnail blaster, I'm not sure how much that costs exactly. So you really don't need that stuff. ChatGPT, you can use ChatGPT to come up with your thumbnails. And I'm using Screencast-O-Matic. They changed the name of it. And when you type in Screencast-O-Matic, it's going to come up a different name. And these are the microphones that he's recommended, but you don't really have to have them. Your computer already comes with them, or your phone does. All right, so let's go. We're in module three. All right, let's scroll down here. Module three. How to come up with video ideas. Again, the video ideas is just simply by going to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and already seeing the videos out there that have gone viral in your niche and just repurposing them. You know what I'm saying? Just copying what they're doing that's already working and repurposing them. I'm going to show you how to do that too. The video SEO search engine. This is the SEO. This is how you just optimize it to rank within the YouTube algorithm and within the algorithm of Google itself. So that's what the search engine optimization means, optimizing it to rank inside the SERPs. All right, so this video right here, the attractive thumbnails. Of course, he has the Blaster Suite. This is a paid program that he's using. And again, you don't have to use this or buy it. It's up to you. Module 4, got a lead or sell. Now what? Just basically walks you through on what to do when you get a lead or a sale, what to send emails, how to send follow-up emails for free, leveling up with automation. Module 5 is an A to Z walkthrough, endless prospects, YouTube example. So all of these things are necessarily for you to have and then do business with. So I'm seeing I'm already at 5 minutes. I'm going to go to the next module here. So daily income method masterclass, week 1 through 6 here. And you can check that out too. Let's go back to access products. And in the next video, I'm going to go over the faceless reels.